Hazrat Ibrahim bin Saad reports from his father and he reports from his father. When we reached Madinah Munawwara, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam established fraternity between Hazrat Abdul Rahman and Hazrat Saad bin Rabi. So he said to Hazrat Abdul Rahman radiyallahu anhu, I am financially extremely strong among the Ansar, so I divide my property into two halves. I have two wives, tell me the name of the one you like so that I may divorce her, and when her prescribed period is over, you may marry her. He replied, May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bless your household and property. You may only tell me the way to the market. He told him about the Banu Qaynuqa market. When he returned, he had some cheese and ghee along with him. He then went there next day. Again, one day when he came, there was a yellow spot on his clothes. So the Prophet ﷺ asked about it, whereupon he submitted, I have been married. He ﷺ inquired, how much jointure have you given her? He replied, gold equal in size to a date stone or equal in weight to a date stone. The transmitter Ibrahim was doubtful about it. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3780.